Good morning. Is this the place where the Starry Express departs?
You found it, young lady, though many people walk right past.
I followed the silver markings on the old stone floor.
Those markings only appear to those who truly want to travel.
I need to buy a ticket for the night journey to the peaks.
The peaks are quite far, and the air is very thin there.
I am prepared for the cold with my thick woolen sweaters.
Preparation is the first step toward a successful adventure in life.
Do you have any seats left for the midnight departure today?
Let me check my heavy leather book of passenger names.
I hope there is at least one small corner for me.
You are lucky. A traveler just canceled their trip a minute ago.
That feels like a sign from the universe itself, doesn't it?
Or perhaps the train was simply waiting for your arrival here.
Is it a one-way trip or a return journey you seek?
Most people who go to the peaks never want to return.
For today, I only require a single ticket to the top.
Very well. Let us look at the available classes of travel.
What is the difference between the cloud carriage and the comet?
The cloud carriage is soft and quiet for peaceful, dreaming souls.
The comet sounds much faster and perhaps a bit more exciting.
It moves with the speed of light across the purple sky.
I think I prefer the excitement of the comet class tonight.
A brave choice for someone with such a small bag.
Everything I truly value fits perfectly inside this leather satchel.
Minimalism is a virtue when crossing the edge of reality.
How much does the comet ticket cost for a solo traveler?
The price is not measured in ordinary paper money, my dear.
I brought the silver coins my grandmother gave to me.
Silver is exactly what the iron rails require for passage. Place your hand on this glowing map of the mountain range.
It feels warm to the touch, like sunlight on stone.
The map responds to the true desires of your adventurous heart.
I see 3 different paths leading toward the highest summit.
The whispering path is beautiful, but can be very deceptive.
I prefer the direct route, even if it is much steeper.
That would be the Dragon's Spine, a path of pure fire.
My family always said I had a bit of fire in me.
Then the Dragon's Spine is the destination we shall mark.
Will the train stop at the Crystal Lake on the way?
Only if the moon is full and the water is still.
The calendar says the moon will be a perfect silver circle.
Then a short stop at the lake is included in price.
Can I change my destination if I see something interesting?
Once the ticket is printed, the tracks are set in stone.
I understand. Commitment is part of the magic of travel.
You are wise beyond your years, Amelia of the Satchel.
I just want to see the world from above the clouds.
The view is worth every silver coin you possess today.
I am ready to finalize the details of this special trip.
Do you wish for a window seat to watch the stars?
An aisle seat would be too boring for such a journey.
I will assign you seat number 7 in the front cabin.
7 has always been a lucky number for my people.
It is a number of mystery and deep ancient secrets, too.
Is there a meal service on the Starry Express train?
We serve hot cocoa and biscuits made of stardust and honey.
That sounds much better than a dry sandwich from station.
Our kitchen is run by a very talented group of owls.
Owls are excellent cooks. I have heard many stories about them.
Tell me why you want to learn English. The 3 most interesting comments will get 10 English lessons absolutely free.
Please place 3 silver coins on the velvet cushion here.
I am counting them out carefully, one by one for you.
The sound of silver clicking is music to an old man.
These coins have been in my family for 3 generations.
They carry the weight of many stories and forgotten dreams.
Use them well to keep the station running for others.
I only take what is necessary to pay the spirit of wind.
Does the wind really require payment to carry the train?
Nothing in this world moves for free, especially the magic.
I am happy to pay for the chance to touch sky.
Your generosity will be rewarded with a very smooth ride.
Is there any extra tax for the heavy luggage I carry?
Your bag is light enough to float on a breeze, Amelia.
I tried to leave all my heavy worries behind at home.
That is the best way to prepare for the Starry Express.
I feel lighter already just standing at this wooden counter.
The station has a way of lifting the soul's heavy burden.
Can I get a receipt for this silver coin transaction?
The ticket itself serves as your proof of ancient purchase.
It must be a very sturdy ticket to survive the speed.
It is made of woven moonlight and reinforced with hope.
I promise to keep it very safe in my inner pocket.
If you lose it, the train will simply fade away.
I will hold on to it as if it were my life.
Good. The spirits of the rail dislike a careless traveler.
My mother taught me to respect the rules of the road.
She was a smart woman to teach you such valuable things.
She was the one who told me about this hidden station.
Perhaps I sold her a ticket many, many years ago, too.
That would explain why she smiled whenever it rained stars.
I shall now activate the great brass printing engine behind me.
It looks like a giant clock mixed with a steam engine.
It is the only machine of its kind left in world.
The gears are turning with a very melodic, rhythmic sound.
They are singing the song of the tracks and the sky.
I see sparks of blue light dancing around the metal pipes.
Those are the sparks of imagination fueling the whole process today.
The paper coming out is not white, it is translucent blue.
It captures the essence of the night sky within its fibers.
I can see my name appearing in glowing golden letters now.
The ink is made from the shadows of the old mountains.
It is the most beautiful piece of art I have seen.
A ticket is a promise of a future yet to happen.
I can feel the vibration of the machine through the floor.
The Starry Express is approaching the station from the void.
I hear a distant whistle that sounds like a lonely bird.
That is the call of the engine seeking its lone passenger.
The ticket is finished, Barnaby. It is glowing very brightly.
Let it cool for a second so it doesn't burn.
Does magic always feel so warm and full of energy?
Only when it is real and destined for the right person.
I am reaching out to take it from your steady hand.
Hold it firmly, for it is as light as a feather.
It pulses with a heartbeat, or is that just my own?
It is the rhythm of the journey beginning in your soul.
I see the seat number and the departure gate clearly.
Gate 13 is at the end of the long, dark hall.
13 is usually considered unlucky by the common townfolk.
On this platform, 13 is the gate to the infinite stars.
I am ready to walk down that hall without any fear.
Before you go, listen to these 3 very important rules.
I am listening with all my attention, wise station master.
First, never step off the train while it is moving.
Even if I see something beautiful in the clouds below?
The clouds are a trap for those who lose their focus.
I will keep my feet on the comet floor always.
Second, do not speak to the shadows in the back car.
Are the shadows dangerous or just very quiet and sad?
They are memories of travelers who forgot their own names, Amelia.
I will remember my name and my purpose for this trip.
Third, always thank the conductor when you reach the final summit.
Politeness is the key to a safe return, I assume.
Gratitude keeps the magic alive for the next curious traveler.
I will bring a small gift for the conductor, too.
An apple or a kind word is all they ever need.
Is there a danger of getting lost in the mountains?
Only if you stop believing in the path you chose.
My belief is as strong as the silver coins I paid.
Then you shall find exactly what you are looking for today.
What if the train does not stop at the peak?
It always stops for those who have a glowing blue ticket.
I can see the lights of the locomotive through the fog.
It is time for you to head toward gate number 13.
Will you be here when I come back down again?
I have been at this counter for 100 years, Amelia.
Then I will look for your friendly face upon my return.
I will keep a fresh pot of tea waiting for you.
That is the best promise I have heard all day long.
Go now, before the wind changes its mind about the weather.
I am going, Barnaby. Thank you for the shimmering ticket. The hallway is much longer than it looked from the booth.
Space and time stretch differently near the Starry Express tracks.
I can feel the cold breeze from the open platform ahead.
That is the breath of the mountains calling your name aloud.
My ticket is glowing blue and green in the total darkness.
It is your lantern in the night. Follow its bright light.
I see the conductor. He is a very tall, thin man.
He is old, but he knows every star by its name.
I am showing him my ticket, and he is nodding.
He recognizes the quality of the moonlight in your blue paper.
The train looks like it is made of dark, polished obsidian.
It is built to withstand the pressure of the deep space.
I am stepping onto the first metal step of the comet.
Keep your balance. The transition can be a bit dizzying.
I feel like I am floating and falling at the same.
That is the feeling of freedom leaving the heavy earth behind.
I found seat number 7, and it is very soft.
It was woven by spiders who live on the moon's surface.
The window is clear, and I can see the whole station.
I am waving my cap to you from my wooden booth.
I am waving back with my shimmering blue ticket in hand.
The whistle is blowing, and the steam is rising high now.
The wheels are starting to turn with a silver hum.
The journey to the peaks has officially begun for you today.
I am not afraid. I am only full of pure excitement.
That is the spirit of a true explorer of the unknown.
Goodbye, Barnaby. I will see you in the next season.
Goodbye, Amelia. May the stars guide your path through the dark.
The station is disappearing into a cloud of glowing blue mist.
And so another soul begins its flight toward the highest peak.